Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. At the very beginning, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to Almighty Allah, who is the most gracious and merciful, for giving me this golden opportunity to stand before you. Here are present our honorable teacher, Mr. Omar Farooq Rahat sir, Saddam sir, Khaim sir, Saiful sir and Tamim sir. Please accept my cordial love and salam. Today is a very special day for us. We are gathered here for our farewell program, and I am very happy to share a few words with you. I have been in Rahat English Care for the last 3 months, and the 3 months were really special for me. Just 3 months ago, I made a decision, and I truly believe it will change my life. Before joining Rahat English Care, I thought English was just a subject I studied. But now I feel English is the like air we breathe. From the moment we wake up to the moment we sleep, we were surrounded by English. In our classroom, at the dining table, to the washroom, and during our late night study sessions. That constant practice has helped reduce my hesitation, and I felt confidence growing every day. For giving me this golden opportunity, I again like to thank our respected Raj sir for his guidance. He always thinks about his students and supports us like a real guardian. I also thank Saddam sir. His classes always were very enjoyable. He is a very friendly and nice teacher, and I will miss his joke and his singing voice. And it's time to say, yes, sir, we will be the king in our kingdom, inshallah.
Give a big hand.
And I must say, the environment of Rahat English Care is really beautiful. The teachers are very amiable, and discipline and friendly atmosphere has helped us feel confident and comfortable. And the finally, I feel pains to say this word goodbye, but I have to say this word goodbye. And we have to accept this word goodbye. Goodbye word is feel us sad. Now I feel heartbroken. I will miss my teachers and also my fellow students. We have shared many good moments together, and these memories will always stay with me. Even though today is our farewell, but I believe this is not the end. This is beginning of our journey. Inshallah, we will meet again, and we will learn English, continue and improving ourselves. Thank you everyone. I'll miss you alone.